Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about pronunciation and the very special way of pronouncing ed in past indefinite. I know that this is the great necessity of my students and maybe yours as well. So try to provide your classes as guided discovery so students can discover and understand whether they should pronounce ed like t, d, or eat. Explain them that we have unvoiced or voiceless consonants. They have no vibration. For instance, ch, f, k, p, s, sh, t, and s. Or if you explain them letters, ch, f, k, p, s, sh, t, th. So as you can see, after these sounds, ed is pronounced like t. Next, if we have voiced consonants, which means we have kind of vibration, and you can tell them like with the method of exception. If these are not these sounds, then they are, of course, voiced. And rule number 3, when we pronounce ed like id, we pronounce ed like id after ending t and d, or after letters t and d. The fourth group is included into irregular group, for which we need to learn our chart of irregular verbs. Let's take a look at our examples. So, how about pronunciation of t? We need to have voiceless sounds at the very end. Let's take a look at the word skip. We pronounce the word skip and add ending ed as skipped, skipped. The second word is knock, knock. As you can see, the ending is k. So we pronounce it as knocked, knocked. The third word is stretch, stretch, ch. We pronounce it as stretched, stretched. And the last word is mop, mop. We pronounce it as mopped in the past. Next, we are talking about voiced sounds with vibration. For example, comb. We add ed and pronunciation will be combed. Second word is iron, iron. We add ed and pronounce ironed. Third word is sail, sail. In the past, sailed. And the fourth word is sneeze. In the past form, sneezed, sneezed. Next group with ending t or d. Float, floated. Second word is neat, neated. Don't forget that we have silent letter K. Third word is fold, folded. And the fourth word is shout, shouted. And of course, let's not forget about irregular verbs. The fourth group is the group where irregular verbs should be learned by heart. Swing, swang, swung. Bite, bit, bitten. Spin, span, spun. Dig, dug, dug. Personally, I developed cards for learning irregular verbs and good explanation with the help of association, past indefinite. Students should remember that if they have did at the beginning of the sentence, it's already indication of past simple. So they don't need to repeat and show the past with the help of ed. The same in the negation, in the negative form. If there is didn't, we don't need to repeat twice and use ed ending with the verb. If you're interested in such cards, just subscribe to my channel, because next time I will show you more.